I'm Justin. I'm going to show you how to correctly install windows and doors into cavity construction as per the WANZ guide to window installation. To start off, we need to prepare the opening with building wrap and flashing tape. Cut the flashing tape for the sill at least 200mm wider than the opening, allowing for a minimum of 100mm up each jamb, ensuring timber frame is covered. Cut 2 more pieces of tape at least 200mm long and fit into each of the upper corners. Once the opening is prepared, fit the one sill support bar, ideally the full width of the opening, to ensure it picks up the window or door frame support blocks. The support bar should sit below the opening, with the upper edge a minimum of 5mm above the sill trimmer. The WANZ locator blocks help set the bar in the correct position. Finally, double check that it is level before screwing it in. For timber, use 10 gauge 50mm stainless screws with a maximum of 300mm centres. When fixing into concrete, use the heavy duty WANZ support bar with the same fixing centres and screws, but with nylon plugs. For the next step, we need to prepare the window for screw or nail fixings. We need to have a maximum of 150mm from reveal ends and a maximum of 450mm centres along sill, jambs and head. Drill pilot holes for fixing method of preference. With the screw pilot holes done, insert the window or door into the prepared opening. For joinery fixing, use pairs of minimum 75 by 3.15 galvanised jolt heads or pairs of 8 gauge 65mm stainless steel screws. Insert flat packers between the wall framing and the window or door reveals at jambs, head and sill fixing points. Do not use wedges. Ensure unit is straight and true. Nail off or screw in through the timber reveals. Remove packers from the head of the unit to allow any potential settlement of the building structure. For a top rolling fold back head installation, remove the box trims to access clearance holes for fixing to the structure. The head must be fixed through the outer fixings as well as an additional row through the reveal. Make sure to take into account clearance for the adjustment screw. Next we'll create the air seal which allows pressure equalisation. Insert the PEF rod and make sure to use the correct size for the gap width. Put in the expanding foam or silicone. Drying time is generally about 20 minutes, but refer to the product manufacturer's specification. For the expanded foam, use a sharp blade and cut the excess foam off when dry. Now for head flashings. Take all necessary measurements for the head flashing before cutting it to size. Industry standard is to extend the length of the head flashing at minimum 20mm past each side. When scribers are used, base the 20mm either side of them instead. For very high and extra high wind zone, apply sealant to the window head flange. Fix head flashing to the structure. Apply flexible flashing tape over the head flashing and fit WANZ end dams. Ensure that the window head flange has 10mm minimum flashing cover. This brings us to the final step in the installation. Check everything thoroughly and make sure the entire installation complies with E2 AS1. Thanks for watching. I hope you picked up some good tips and tricks on how to correctly install windows and doors. To see more install videos, visit the Altus website. All videos are conveniently mobile friendly for when you're on site.